Good morning, my dear students. Today I would tell you about users of accounting information and their needs. Why do different users need our accounting information? First of all, we should know about who are our users, and then why do they need our accounting information. These are the two questions to be, these are the two topics, 2 points to be discussed today. Number one, internal users. Internal users are those persons who have direct interest, those who are related to us, our business directly, and they are our owners, or they are in the management. Owners and management people are directly involved, directly related to our business, and they need in and out all information regarding our accounts. They want to know the profitability of the business, they want to know the financial position of the business, financial soundness of the business, and want to know each and every information. Therefore, they have to be provided all the information, because they have to take several decisions based on the accounting information. Management also need accounting information for the efficient and smooth running of the business. They need the accounting information to provide further information to different tax authorities, different people, right? They need to make different ventures. For that, they need to know the cash flow position, they need to know about their assets, about the expected returns, about the expected losses, about the cost of production. They need to know each and everything about revenue and expenses. So they need to know the exact income of the firm. They also need to know about the financial soundness of the firm. Number next is external users. All the external users are indirectly related to us, and we will study about them one by one. Number one is potential investor. All those who invest in our business. All those who invest in our business want to know whether their money, whatever they invest, will be returned back to them or not, where the return on investment is okay or not, whether the firm is in a position to return our investment or not. They want to know whether their investment is safe or not. Number two are short term creditors. Short term creditors or suppliers of goods and other things and services, those who provide us on credit, or banks, etc., those who provide us loan for short term needs. They also want to know about our accounting information to know the credit worthiness. Note this word, credit worthiness. Credit worthiness means our ability to pay back their money. Our credit worthiness. If our credit worthiness is not there, if they are not sure about our credit worthiness, if they are not of the opinion that we would be able to pay them back, it will be very difficult for them to do business with us. Then there are long term creditors. Long term creditors are those who provide us loans, etc., who provide us financial help in terms of goods and service, also in terms of finance also. So they also want to know whether their money is safe or not, whether they would get proper returns or not. Then there are employees. Employee need information about the profits of a business, to know the ability of the firm to pay their wages or salaries, to increase their wages or salaries, whether they can expect bonus, etc., or not, right? And if a firm is doing well, then they can ask for their increment in the salaries, etc. Tax authorities need to see that all the accounting is done as per the laws, as per the rules and regulations. Goods and services tax, Companies Act के according, whether the firm is doing or not. Similarly, same is with government and other agencies. Social responsibility groups such as environment protection groups, other NGOs which work for social welfare, they also want to know whether we are repaying the society in one way or other or not. General public also want to know about the accounting information of a particular business organization, so that they can know whether the firm is taking certain steps for the common public or not, whether they are providing employment opportunities, whether they are keeping the environment neat and clean, whether they are doing sufficient for the local people or not, regular supply of goods, whether our business organization is indulged in black marketing, hoarding, etc. So just to keep a check also, common people need to know about our accounting information. Last is competitors. They want to know about our accounting information so as to relatively strengthen their position against us. They want to be in competition with us, so they want to know about our profits, about our strengths, about our weaknesses, and the financial position of a business, about credit worthiness of our business, how we are doing in comparison to previous year and in comparison to them. These are the users of accounting information. You need to always know the reason why they need our accounting information, why they are interested in the accounting information of a business organization. That's all for today. I hope you have understood it, and please prepare notes and keep in touch. God bless all of you.